A windshield repair and replacement shop is typically considered a commercial garage. To understand why, let's define what constitutes a commercial garage. A commercial garage is fundamentally a garage used for business purposes, distinguishing it from a residential garage meant for personal use. This distinction is crucial. Think of it this way: a residential garage primarily houses personal vehicles, tools, and maybe some storage. A commercial garage, on the other hand, serves as a place of business, providing services to customers for a fee. Windshield repair and replacement shops inherently provide services, repairing or replacing damaged windshields for vehicle owners. This service aspect is what places them firmly within the commercial garage category. It is about the nature of the activities conducted within the space. If the primary function involves offering automotive services to the public, it leans toward being a commercial garage. The specific tasks performed inside, whether it's windshield work, engine repair, or body work, influence the classification. The scale of operation also matters. A small, one-person windshield repair operation might still qualify as a commercial garage if it operates as a business. However, a hobbyist working on their own cars in their home garage would not. Consider the zoning regulations in a particular area. Zoning laws often differentiate between residential and commercial properties. A windshield repair shop operating in a commercially zoned area strengthens the argument for it being a commercial garage. Conversely, attempting to run such a business in a residentially zoned area could lead to zoning violations. Building codes also play a role. Commercial garages typically have different building code requirements than residential garages. These differences can include fire suppression systems, ventilation requirements, and accessibility standards. The presence of these features, or the need for them, further supports the classification as a commercial garage. Insurance is another factor. Commercial garages require specific types of insurance to cover potential liabilities, such as damage to customer vehicles or injuries to employees. A windshield repair shop would need commercial garage insurance, further solidifying its status. The types of equipment used can also be an indicator. Commercial garages often have specialized equipment such as hydraulic lifts, tire changers, and diagnostic tools. While a windshield repair shop may not use all of these, it will likely have specialized tools for removing and installing windshields. Consider the financial aspects. A commercial garage generates revenue through its services. A windshield repair shop earns money by repairing or replacing windshields. This income-generating activity is a key characteristic of a commercial enterprise. Furthermore, consider the legal and regulatory aspects. Commercial garages are subject to various regulations, such as those related to environmental protection and worker safety. A windshield repair shop must comply with these regulations, just like any other commercial garage. The distinction between a commercial garage and other types of commercial properties lies in its specific focus on automotive services. While a retail store or an office building is undoubtedly a commercial property, it does not fall under the specific category of a commercial garage unless it provides automotive-related services. The North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS, is a standard used by federal statistical agencies in classifying business establishments. Windshield repair and replacement shops typically fall under a specific NAICS code related to automotive repair and maintenance, which further supports their classification as a commercial garage. Furthermore, the term garage itself implies a structure or space designed for storing or repairing vehicles. When combined with the term commercial, it specifically refers to a business that provides vehicle-related services. Consider the operational characteristics of a windshield repair shop. It typically has a waiting area for customers, a work area for repairing or replacing windshields, and storage for materials and equipment. These operational features are consistent with those of a commercial garage. Think about the types of employees who work at a windshield repair shop. They typically include technicians who perform the repairs, customer service representatives who interact with customers, and managers who oversee the operation. These employees are all engaged in providing automotive services, which is a hallmark of a commercial garage. Consider the marketing and advertising efforts of a windshield repair shop. It typically advertises its services to attract customers who need windshield repair or replacement. This marketing activity is a key component of running a commercial garage. Consider the pricing structure of a windshield repair shop. It charges customers for its services based on the type of repair or replacement needed. This revenue generation model is characteristic of a commercial enterprise. Moreover, think about the role of technology in windshield repair. Modern windshield repair shops use advanced technology, such as computerized diagnostic tools and specialized adhesives. The use of this technology enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of their services. Contemplate the environmental considerations of windshield repair. Windshield repair shops must properly dispose of waste materials, such as broken glass and used adhesives. They must also comply with environmental regulations to minimize their impact on the environment. Analyze the safety aspects of windshield repair. Windshield repair shops must ensure the safety of their employees and customers. This includes providing proper safety training and using appropriate safety equipment. Examine the impact of windshield repair on vehicle safety. Properly repaired or replaced windshields contribute to the overall safety of a vehicle. Windshield repair shops play a vital role in ensuring that vehicles are safe to operate. Ponder the economic significance of windshield repair. Windshield repair shops provide a valuable service to vehicle owners, helping them to avoid costly windshield replacements. They also contribute to the local economy by providing jobs and generating revenue. Take into account the evolving nature of the automotive industry. As vehicles become more technologically advanced, windshield repair shops must adapt to keep up with the changing needs of their customers. They must invest in new equipment and training to provide the latest repair techniques. Examine the role of insurance companies in windshield repair. Insurance companies often cover the cost of windshield repair or replacement, making it more accessible to vehicle owners. Windshield repair shops work closely with insurance companies to process claims and provide quality service. Evaluate the customer service aspects of windshield repair. Windshield repair shops strive to provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. They must be responsive to customer inquiries and provide timely and efficient service. Contemplate the future of windshield repair. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, windshield repair shops may need to adapt their services to address the unique needs of these vehicles. They may need to develop new repair techniques and technologies to handle the complex windshield systems used in autonomous vehicles. Consider the ethical considerations of windshield repair. Windshield repair shops must be honest and transparent in their dealings with customers. They must not mislead customers about the extent of the damage or the necessity of repairs. They must also provide fair and reasonable pricing. Reflect on the societal impact of windshield repair. By providing affordable and convenient windshield repair services, windshield repair shops help to keep vehicles safe and on the road. They contribute to the overall mobility and economic well-being of society. Consider the different types of commercial garages. These can include general automotive repair shops, body shops, dealerships with service departments, and specialty shops like the windshield repair and replacement shop. The common thread is that they all offer automotive services to the public for profit. Consider the alternative, a self-service garage where individuals rent space and tools to work on their own vehicles. This model, while still commercial, differs significantly from a repair shop that directly provides the labor and expertise. Furthermore, a fleet maintenance facility, while commercial in nature, primarily serves a specific company's vehicles and might not be open to the general public like a typical windshield repair shop. Consider the physical layout of a windshield repair shop. It typically includes a reception area, a waiting area, a repair bay or bays, and a storage area for windshields and supplies. This layout is consistent with the typical design of a commercial garage. Think about the signage and branding of a windshield repair shop. It typically displays a sign with its name, logo, and contact information. It may also display certifications or affiliations with industry organizations. This branding helps to identify it as a commercial establishment. Consider the payment methods accepted by a windshield repair shop. It typically accepts cash, credit cards, and insurance payments. This range of payment options is typical of a commercial business. Analyze the online presence of a windshield repair shop. It typically has a website or online listing with information about its services, hours of operation, and contact information. It may also have online reviews from customers. This online presence is increasingly important for attracting new customers. Consider the community involvement of a windshield repair shop. It may sponsor local sports teams or events, or donate to local charities. This community involvement helps to build goodwill and strengthen its reputation. It is vital to understand that the specific regulations and requirements for commercial garages can vary depending on local, state, and federal laws. A windshield repair shop owner should consult with legal and regulatory experts to ensure full compliance. Ultimately, the classification of a windshield repair and replacement shop as a commercial garage stems from its core function as a business providing automotive services to the public. The characteristics outlined from its revenue generation to its operational features support this categorization.